Today I wanted to talk a little bit about my background. I started this practice 2009, so it's been about 5 years, going into year 6. And originally I had a kind of a broad base in regards to some of the products and services that I offered. And right around year 2, I realized that I needed to hone in and really become an expert in a particular area when it came to financial services and insurance. And I really like working. So I made a decision to specialize in the senior market, in particular Medicare insurance, all other lines of health insurance, as well as long-term care insurance. And what I found working with this particular segment of the marketplace is that once they retire, they're initially thinking that everything's going to be rosy, everything's going to be hunky-dory, but what they realize is that they have just as many needs, concerns, and in today's society, there is so much information, and a lot of our seniors who are 60 plus need a lot of help when it comes to their financial portfolios, their insurance needs, and other services. And so I would say within the last 3 or 4 years, I probably have sat down with close to 600 or 700 people evaluating their health insurance needs. Right now, I'm authorized to offer AARP products. And so what does that mean? So there's every year there's annual requirements in regards to training that I have to fulfill. AARP teaches agents like myself how to deal with the senior population. Some of our seniors have disabilities, they have different challenges. A lot of them may have hearing issues, sight issues, so we're trained in those particular areas. We have to be very patient with this market. They're probably pre-technology, and so some of our seniors now have smartphones, but a lot of my clients don't even have a cell phone. If they do have a cell phone, they may only use it for emergencies only. A lot of my clients who are over 65 don't have email addresses. And so it could be very challenging and even frustrating in today's society where you have all of this information. For example, one of my best practices, something that I do with my clients, if they are having any challenges or questions about their insurance policies or the product or benefits, instead of just saying, hey, call customer service, a lot of my clients are fine doing that. But what I like to do is do a 3-way call into the insurance company, have my client give them permission to talk to me, and I can take it from there. And so what it does, it eliminates a lot of confusion, a lot of frustration. When you call into a company, I tried to call my own insurance company, and I was on hold for 15 minutes. It prompts you, you call your credit card companies, it does the same thing. So when you call, a lot of times you're not going to get a live body. And if someone's 80 years old or 75, that's very frustrating to them. And so what we have to do is that every year we have to take a refresher training course. There's a commitment to the community, their state licensing requirements, as well as background checks. If you have a broker or an agent who is saying that they're authorized to offer AARP products, you can actually confirm that by calling 1-866-415-9973. All you have to do is provide the agent's name, and AARP will confirm them. One of the benefits of being an authorized agent, even though I'm not 50 years old, I was able to get an AARP membership.